Unit circle. Alright. Going fast, getting ready for the test. Here we go. See how fast we can do it? So we start off at 0 degrees, and each of these sections is 30 degrees. So 30, 60, 90, 120, add 30 more, that's 150, add 30 more, that's 180, add 30 more, that's 210, add 30 more, that's 240, add 30 more, 270, 300, 330, add 30 more, and then 360, boom. You've got these little 15 increments, so we're just going to add 15 there. 30 plus 15 is 45. 120 plus 15 is 135. And then 210 plus 15 is 225. And last but not least, 300 plus 15 is 315. There we go. There we go. There's our degrees done. Then radians is going to be adding by pi over 6. So 1 pi over 6 goes here. Just doing a video for Stuart and Bella. So 1 pi over 6. 1 pi over 6 plus 1 pi over 6 is 2 pi over 6. And then 2 pi over 6 plus another pi over 6 is 3 pi over 6. And you're just going to keep going. 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, and then another pi over 6 after that. After 4 pi over 6 is 5 pi over 6. Then we get 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6. Super easy. Follow the pattern. 8 pi over 6. After 7, 8 pi over 6 is 9 pi over 6. After 9 pi over 6 is 10 pi over 6. After 10 pi over 6 is 11 pi over 6. And finally 12 pi over 6. Nice. Then you got to go ahead and reduce them all. Go ahead and reduce them all. Doing a video for you guys to watch tonight, tomorrow night. So got to reduce them all.
Is the test today or tomorrow?
Next time.
Yes!
So then 2 pi over 6, we're going to divide by 2, divide by 2. So that we get pi over 3 radians is the final answer for 60 degrees in radians. Next one will be divide by 3, divide by 3, so you get pi over 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2, so we get 2 pi over 3. And then 6 divided by 6 becomes just pi, which is half a circle. 8 pi over 6 divided by 2 divided by 2 is 4 pi divided by 3. 9 pi over 6 divided by 3 divided by 3 is 3 pi over 2. 10 pi over 6 divided by 2. So we're either dividing by 2, you have notice the pattern there, or dividing by 3 to reduce these. So that's going to be 5 pi over 3, nice. And 11 pi over 6, 12 pi over 6, of course, reduces. 12 divided by 6 is 2 pi. Now we do have these little increments here, right? If you forgot how to change a degree to radian, you could, in fact, times by pi divided by 180. And so then you get 45 pi over 180. You divide by 45, divide by 45, and that reduces the pi over 45 goes into 84 times. So these are actually going to be 1 pi's over 4 that we are going to count by. So we're going to go 1 pi over 4, up here is 2 pi over 4, which reduces to a half, just like the other one. 3 pi over 4, there it is, 3 pi over 4. And then after 3 pi over 4 is 4 pi over 4, which is just pi. And then 5 pi over 4, and then 6 pi over 4. And 6 pi over 4 again reduces to 3 pi over 2. And we have 7 pi over 4, nearly done. And then 8 pi over 4. And 8 pi over 4 reduces to 2 pi. Thanks, Brooke. Name drop you. So that's the degrees, that's the radians. And then to go ahead and do the coordinates now, right? To go ahead and do the coordinates, you would follow a special pattern. I'm going to be teaching 5th period today. Whoa! And that secret is you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all divided by 2, all divided by 2, and all square rooted. It says
Are you making a video?
Yeah, Sage and Randy are on my video. Name dropped you.
Yeah.
So I'll pause it for a second.
I just dropped by.
Unpause. Oh, it's recording now. There we go. Woo! Yeah, just finishing our video. So after you do that, don't forget you have 1, 0, and -1, 0. You have 0, 1, and 0, -1, because the radius of a circle is 1. Then we just go ahead and go straight across like that, and we copy it. Oh, forgot. All divided by 2 and all square rooted. All divided by 2 and all square rooted on the top. On the top, except for 1. Technically it is the square root of 1, but that's just 1. And the square root of 1 is just 1, so we can handle that. Thank you. So there we go. Don't worry, we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again for you. Don't worry, name drop Dylan. Okay, so then we have radical 3 over 2 comma half. Then we have radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And then we have 1/2 radical 3 over 2. We just went ahead and mirror image straight across, just like that. Except for these guys are negative, like that. And then we're going to bring it straight down now, bring it straight down. So this is still radical 3 over 2 1/2. This is still radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And this one's 1/2 radical 3 over 2, right? And so for this is going to be negative, negative, right? We're negative, negative in the third quadrant. Negative, negative in the third quadrant. This one we're just negative in the first quadrant. Good. Over here we're positive and then negative in the y value. So that's the difference between those two. This one is positive, positive. Good. Okay, so then we're going to go and reflect this image straight this way back again. Reflect it straight back again. So this is going to be radical 3 over 2 1/2. This is going to be radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And then 1/2 radical 3 over 2. Except for, again, the y values now. The y values. Remember, this is a mirror image. So that one goes to that one goes to that one. So it's a mirror image, mirror image. And so the y values there are negative. That's it. Ace the pattern for the test next time. Woo! Special name drop going out to Brooke and Maisie. Anybody else? And Ben. And Sophie. Anybody else name drop me on my video? Emma. Name drop. Anybody else? Woo! Go ahead and say woo, or like shout really loud. Yay! 3, 2, 1. Woo! Name drop. Thanks for watching.